Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Starz on Amazon Fire TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Amazon Fire TV. Ensure your Fire TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to find and select the Apps option. In the Apps section, look for the Amazon App Store. Use the search function to type in Starz. Select the Starz app from the search result. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once installed, open the Starz app. You will be prompted to either log in or start a free trial. If you already have a Starz account, enter your login credentials. If you're a new user, select the option to start a free trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-up process. After signing up or logging in, note the activation code displayed. Now, take your mobile device or computer. Open a web browser and go to the Starz activation website. Enter the activation code from your TV screen. Click on that Activate button to link your account. Once activated, return to your Fire TV. You should now have full access to the Starz content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Starz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.